it's Tia, and today I am super thrilled to talk to you about the two newest additions to the ultra luxurious and very popular Santeva Intense collection, and they are the Santeva Intense Discoloration Treatment and the Santeva Intense Rapid Fading Body Lotion. Now, just like the rest of the products in the line, these are both infused with pink dandelion flower and sea grape caviar, which are rich in vitamins, antioxidants. They also effectively reduce inflammation and they naturally brighten the skin. Now, I first want to talk about the Santeva Intense Discoloration Treatment because this is a very concentrated cream that is particularly for those hard to lighten areas. So this is great for your elbows, your knees, your knuckles, your toes, all of those areas where the skin is a bit thicker than the rest of your body, so it can be hard to lighten those areas. And this is infused with some amazing essential ingredients like mandelic acid, azelaic acid, and glutathione, which are all very gentle for the skin, and they are recommended for all skin types. Now, to use this is very simple. You can apply this 2 to 3 times a day on cleansed skin to all those hard to lighten areas. And I want to show you, this is a nice, rich, creamy formula. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my elbows. Over time, my elbows have just gotten darker and darker and darker. It started when I was a kid. My mom said I like to crawl around on the carpet on my elbows and knees, so historically my knees and elbows have been dark. So I'm going to apply it there. And when you're using this, it is important, because it's concentrated, if you're using this in the daytime, to follow up with a Santeva SPF, because you want to protect your skin. If you're using this at night, you can go ahead and follow up with a moisturizer. And when you use this, you'll see initial results within the first 7 days, but it is recommended that you use this for at least 28 days to get the best results. So that is how you use the Santeva Intense Discoloration Treatment. Now, the Santeva Intense Rapid Fading Body Lotion is a quick action lotion that's really formulated to give you a noticeably brighter, lighter, more even skin tone. And it contains some organic active ingredients like Sepi White MSH, retinol palmitate, and mulberry extract. Now, this is our strongest, most effective concentrated lightening treatment that will give you the fastest results. With consistent use, you can see results within 5 to 7 days, but recommended usage is 30 days. Now, because this is extremely potent, you want to concentrate on using this on the body only. You don't want to use this on your face, and you also want to follow up with some sort of sun protection on a daily basis. And to use this, you can apply this all over your body twice daily after cleansing. So it's recommended that you use this right after a shower or a bath. It's going to just absorb into the skin easily. And what I love about this formula is that it is very light and it smells amazing. It just has a nice, fresh scent. So because it has organic ingredients, you don't get that chemical smell, and it's not overpowering in any way. So that is how you use both the Santeva Intense Rapid Fading Body Lotion as well as the Santeva Intense Discoloration Treatment. So I hope you are as excited as I am about these two new products to the Santeva Intense collection. As always, thank you for watching, and check out all the other great videos that we have here at Santeva Beauty.